Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make an image a circle in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets. Firstly, I will show that in this video, make image in circle shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for the drawing option. Then click for the image. Now click on the browse option in the desktop, then let's use picture from the open. That's it. Then I show that insert for the picture. Now click on the save and close. This picture image in a circle shape. Now click for the picture, double click. Now click for the picture, then click for the mask image option. Now click for the shape option, then click for the circle option. That's it. Now click for the save and close option. That's it. Then I show the image circle is Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.